So this weekend, my family and I, and also some of my friends, went to the beach. All of a sudden, when we're sitting and relaxing, we see these birds flying around, catching fish from the water. They were swooping down because the fish were in the water, swimming away from something in the deep ocean. I got a fish in my hand. It went onto the surface of the beach. I held it in my hands for a few minutes, then I put it back in the ocean. Just like that. And then this guy that was holding the net, he got a bunch of fish in it. It was so much fish, the last part of the net was bending. It was really a lot of fish. I mean, maybe like a little bit of a school, like over 10 maybe 11. Can you see the school of fish? Now there was a fish in the bucket.
Let him grab it and put it back.
Yeah, we put them in a bucket, but they're a little too big to fit in it. You know what I mean?
Maybe there's like red. Maybe there's like red.
It looks like a trout. Yeah, it looks like a trout, to be honest. Put it back. I was seeing like 100 of them. I had the net. It was like 30. Yeah. You gotta grab him with 2 hands. Grab him with 2 hands. 2 hands.
Everybody kept saying they never seen this happen before. I shared the fish with a girl that was on the beach. And then we saw a big blue fish.
What is it called? I don't know.
We saw someone catch a flounder. Flounder is in the family of the flatfish. And we saw another person catch a bluefish. This guy caught a fish so big, it came off the hook.
Gotta go back up.
They could bite ya.
But these guys do bite, so you have to be really careful with these ones. It's a bluefish, and I got him now. You can check it out if you want to.
There was another bluefish over
Yeah,
there. About the same exact size, but maybe a little bit bigger.
It's cool, right?
Yeah.
Cool as can be. We're going to eat him because it's blood, and we're going to eat him.
This guy caught a fish so big, his rod was bending like a stick. Probably was gonna break.
Right there. Stay right here, okay?
Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Make sure to click the subscribe button.